Good morning. My name is Janice. August 12th, 2025. Tuesday morning. Cleansing the energy. I hope you are well. I pray love and protection for you. Everything is cleansed. We are safe here. You are welcome here. You are safe here. What is the message, Holy Spirit? What is the message for this beautiful collective? Right here, right now. Oh, and I asked about the reading this morning, and I heard trust like never before. Trust like never before. Okay, there you go. Trust. 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 Expect miracles. Miracles are coming. Miracles are coming. Unfolding right now. Behind the scenes, miracles are coming. What's the message, Holy Spirit? Angels, ancestors, spirit guides, I surrender to you, Most High God. The will of the cosmos. The will of the cosmos. Take charge and action. Take charge and action. Okay? Oh, yeah, that looks like this angel has armor. Oh, whoop. Wait a minute. Okay, I had the wrong page. Yeah, armor. And an arrow. Take charge and action. Don't be afraid to take charge or be strong at this time. Sometimes we have to take control in order to be respected and honored. If you feel that your current situation is moving in a direction that isn't serving you, your joy, or your purpose, the message of this card is to put your foot down now. Trust like never before. Put your foot down now. You don't have to be aggressive. You don't need to, but you do need clarity now. And unless you step in, it won't unfold. So, set a good example. Respect yourself. Lead rather than be led. If you're wondering whether to take the next move in a particular situation, this card encourages you to do so. Often angels find it difficult to support us fully unless we make the first move. Meet them halfway now by showing your commitment to moving forward. All right. Healing waters. What's the message, Holy Spirit? What's the message? Angels, ancestors, spirit guides. Angels, ancestors, spirit guides. What's the message? Let it rain. Allow what is. Inevitability. Trust. Allowing what is. Inevitability. Trust. Let it rain. It's raining all over the world. Showdown. ELO. Electric Light Orchestra. Showdown. It's raining all over the world. Let it rain. I love that song too, by the way. Not like it. Anyway, keep moving, Janice. Stay focused. Let it rain. Allowing what is. Inevitability. Trust. There's a moment just before it starts to rain when the pressure can be felt. What is building up is preparing for a big release. The clouds cannot hold their breath a moment longer, and then, right on cue, they surrender the rain they've been holding on to, and a downpour finally begins. While we may have preferred to see clear skies around, a sweet relief can be felt when the waters of the sky return to the ground. There is also a special moment that can be felt immediately after the rain stops and the sun reappears from behind the shadows. It's similar to what happens to us during a good emotional cry. Yeah, I had that yesterday, actually. And it was good. The endorphins that are released as we let our red-hot tears flow down our cheeks invoke a feeling of sweet relief. And it is. It really is. If I couldn't cry, I think I would go mad. Honestly. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. Something's been released, lifted, and cleared. We feel a little lighter and more free. This card comes with encouragement to surrender to what's happening in your life. Again, maybe you're experiencing a challenge or something isn't going to plan. Although you might prefer the sun to shine all year round, there's intelligence in the rainy days, and there's healing in your tears. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Wow. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is a general reading for the collective. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Suddenly I wondered if I said that, so I don't know. General reading. Take charge and action. Let it rain. What's the message? Holy Spirit, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what's the message? Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. Ooh. A beautiful mermaid with her gorgeous red hair. I'm partial because I was a redhead. Got gray hair now, but I was a redhead. But I could never have long hair like that because my hair is very fine and a little thin. Anyway, that's a beautiful card. Beautiful card. And the shells, the mermaid. What's the message, Holy Spirit? Ace of Swords. Wow, Ace of Swords. There's some truth. Direction, communication. The arrow has a destination. That arrow has a destination. I don't know where it's going, but when it goes, it has a direction. And it will land where it's supposed to land. The star? Again? Oh, okay. The star. All right. All you star seeds, all you rising stars, there's so many of us. I got a feeling that I am a star as well. But truth will reveal our strengths and weaknesses. There are many rising stars right now coming out of a spiritual closet. It's like Take charge and action. Let it rain, allowing what is inevitability. Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. I want to see what this has this has to say. Upright key words: balancing resources, adaptation, resourcefulness, flexibility, stretching resources. Yeah. The twos are all about relationships, balance, and harmony. Two of Pentacles signifies that you may be multitasking and attempting to balance many responsibilities. This card can also indicate the need to implement more organization in your routine. You should determine which resources will help you feel less overwhelmed, whether it is hiring additional help or seeking advice. Balance relationships, balance and harmony. Yeah, she's on a bike. That's balance, because if you can't balance a bike, it's not going to go forward, it's going to fall down, and you're going to skin your knee. Or at least. Okay, Nine of Cups. Okay, so it starts out with Two Pentacles, balancing resources. Balancing resources. Okay, Nine of Cups. Oh yeah, that's fulfillment there. Nine is completion as well. Nine of Cups. Upright keywords. Wishes coming true. Trust like never before. Contentment, satisfaction, success, achievement, recognition, pleasure. Nine of Cups card represents appreciation, fulfilled dreams, and life's pleasures. It signifies you could have achieved a goal or feeling content in your relationship, career, or another area. The appearance of Nine of Cups card may indicate that you have successfully completed an important stage in life and now can afford a well-deserved holiday before moving on. Oh, yeah, nice. Sounds nice. Take me away on a beautiful holiday. I don't know why I'm singing. But Spirit does. Ace of Swords. Upright keywords: clarity, breakthrough, new idea, concentration, vision, force, focus, truth. Aces point to new beginnings. Yes, new beginnings. Ace of Swords indicates a fresh start. Excellent time to begin a new initiative and take decisive action. Take charge and action on a project. Take decisive action on a project or a career change. The Ace of Swords is also about reclaiming personal power. Yeah. Reclaiming personal power. Taking charge and action. Putting your foot down. No, I will not have anything to do with that, because I have some integrity today. I am an honest person. I respect myself today. I honor myself. And I pray that for you. Whatever's going on that makes you feel not good about the situation, this is time for you to take charge and action, whatever that may be in your in your circumstances. You may be entering a phase where you have the opportunity to fully take the reins of your future and charge ahead with projects that utilize your creative and intellectual abilities. The star. The star. Boy, that comes up a lot. But that's cool. Have your way, Spirit. Have your way. The star. Key up right words. Illusion, mystery, subconscious, intuition, hidden, potential, uncertainty, new beginnings. New beginnings. Okay. All right. Sit right there. The star card, the glimpse to walk in the hidden depths and veiled truth. Unlike traditional interpretations, the luminary is muted, shrouded in mystery. This card signifies a time of exploration within, a dive into the subconscious mind, where fears and intuition mingle. Yeah, I think I've been experiencing a lot of that, actually, myself. This is your reading. But the whole thing resonates with me as well because I'm part of the collective. We're all in this together. We are one. So it's not a surprise. I don't think, yeah. It represents a period of uncertainty, but also immense possibility. Yeah. The uncertainty, the fear of the unknown. I have just a vague idea of what's coming. Trust like never before. The greatest treasures are often hidden beneath the surface. Embrace the mysteries and trust your intuition to unlock your full potential. Okay? All right, blessed be. You have anything you want to say about all this? I mean, besides what I've already said. Okay. Pooling resources, I'm hearing. Pooling resources, balancing resources in relationships, whether that's business or personal or whatever it is, balancing relationships, pooling resources for the greater good of all in whatever. This is about resources and balancing resources. You kind of pick it up like that everybody has what they need. You may be thinking about something that you have going on in your, maybe you have a business or something career or a mission, a passion project, whatever it is. There's something about that everyone has a fair access, equal balancing, equal sharing resources with each other. Make sure everybody has what they need. Balance. It's a lot like temperance. I'm looking at that balance, balancing. That way, everyone in this particular situation is moving forward together. Trust like never before. Because the Nine of Cups, you are fulfilled. You completed a major life milestone. And your new beginning is here. Your creativity and your intellectual abilities are all on fire. Yeah, to look at that little thing on the end of that, that's like a star or fire or something on the tip of that arrow. And that's gonna hit the target. New beginnings, unlimited potential. Aces are unlimited potential because you are the star. You are the star. You are that rising star. You have something to give to the world, and the world needs it. You have something to give to the world, and the world needs it. So trust like never before. Trust. Humanity, the souls on this planet, need you. What you have to give. Yeah. Okay, what's the message? Blessed be. Let's wrap it up. Blessed be. What's the message, Holy Spirit? A blessing for good work. A blessing for good work. Man, that is beautiful. A blessing for good work. Okay. Okay. 18. Ooh, 18 is a great number. A blessing for good work. A blessing to bring to you work that offers you opportunity to grow the soul, to create and to be fulfilled with those who will allow you to develop the talents that lie within you. Oh, wow. Each of us longs for work that allows our soul to expand and meet the potential of each day. Whoa. Okay. Oof. But we often fall short, feeling our work is mundane and purposeless. Yet we touch people with our words, energy, actions each day, changing lives with the beacon of our smiles and encouragement. Even amidst the most ordinary of places, let there be good work for you. And know that even if your work seems ordinary, nothing is without its blessing. May your soul's luminous radiance light up all the opportunities to do good work and find satisfaction in the small beauties of each day. May your work, however humble it may seem to be, find its purpose to heal and to help, to expand the abilities you have been so very blessed to receive. May your work reward you with enough in your pocket and skills born new into your world, which you can teach others and share and bring into your own life, enriching the personal with what you do through your working day. May every act of work become a kind of act of devotion, shining on the beauty of your own blessed soul, showing to you the infinite variety of ways we can bring blessings to each other. May you find the truth of the sacred within your work. Where'd I go? And be blessed with the knowledge that Spirit works through you. For you bring blessings of light and comfort, of healing and renewal to all who encounter you throughout the working day. Knowing it is blessed to find dissatisfaction too, and that this discontent can drive you forth into the arms of the next place that has the need of your skills and presence. May your work bring to you blessings and never leave you tired beyond what you can do. May those who receive the work you do be uplifted and never fail to offer you their thanks and gratitude. So you know that all has come full circle. May you be mindful of your work, available and present for those who seek your help, and may this focus refresh and reawaken you to your value each day. May each day begin with anticipation for the unknown work you will do, and may it end with the satisfaction of knowing that you brought your gifts to the day and changed it for the better, thanks to the work of your two hands. Blessed be. Trust like never before. Trust like never before. Have a beautiful day. You beautiful, beautiful soul. Healing love to you. From my heart to your heart. Healing love and peace to you, dear soul.